Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a message in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So basically there is no inbox feature or direct messaging in GitHub, but there are ways to communicate within your team or with your team. And basically there are some conversations or in the review process you can start adding starting conversation in the teamwork. So basically you will be needing to go to repositories, and from there you can go to any repository. And basically, here to start adding conversation or to see your conversation, you will be needing to start using pull request. And basically, as I said, only in the review process where you can start commenting. So here we can go to pull request, and I'm just going to create a pull request, and we will be needing to have some changes to create requests for, and we can have them into our repository that we have here. So we can just go to the book watch, and basically it had some pull requests, and from here we can go to the closed one, and basically here in the closed one you can see that there was some conversation. So basically when you start a pull request into your GitHub, you will be able to start conversation. Also in the file change, as you can see, we can start starting conversation. In here, you discuss within your team. I think uh, it's a valid solution, etc. And you start review, and basically it will be added, and the conversation can continue until the owner or the one with permission can close this pull request and merges or whatever was the result. But from here you can start sending messages to GitHub. So make sure to watch the video. So thank you for watching and see you next time.